So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And this video is related to the technical script 2026 event. And here are some of your doubts which I'll cover in this video. And if you don't know about this event, how to participate, I have attached the link in the description both in English and Hindi language. So make sure to check it out. And if you're new to this channel, do subscribe the video and like the channel also. I think I just misspelled, but you know the drill. Now coming over here to the home page of the technical scripter, first we'll cover everything step by step. First thing is that the doubt most people are asking that how we have to post. You have to come down over here. Okay, here you'll be able to see that multiple options are there, right? So here we have to just open the GfG Connect. I'll find it over here. Here you can see steps to post. You have to just right click over here and open in a new tab. First of all, you need to sign in over here. Okay. So once you sign in, you can see this is our dashboard. Now here you have to post. You can post multiple things. Like here you can see there are multiple options like in post interview experience, admission experience, exam experience, work experience, campus experience. Okay. Apart from this, if you want to share tech news also, here are the categories. If you have carefully observed over here, there are total 10 categories they have mentioned over here, right? These are the categories. So here out of which you can work on any one, two or three or even all. Okay, there is no issue in that. So here you have to start the event daily, means you have to keep posting daily. Now here some people are having multiple questions which I'll cover over here, that they are asking that can we start now also or can we start later also. So you'll cover this thing also. First of all, you need to stay tuned till the end. Here we'll cover first of all the questions which some of the subscribers has asked that he is not able to understand in Hindi. He is asking that if we post 3 posts daily, then we can achieve 30 days in 10 days. Or if our post doesn't get any likes or comment, we eligible for the t-shirt plus money, or can we post anyone from 3 ways of posting? First of all, your first question query, this is P Finky 6302. So here this doubt is incorrect, means you need to post daily. Even if you post daily 3 posts or 1 post, it does not matter. You need to keep posting for 30 days and 15 days. We'll come over here, means to the doubt which you are having regarding the criteria of swags. Second thing, if our post does not get any likes and comments, will be getting the t-shirt and money. Yes, you'll be getting under a different category. And can we post anyone from 3 ways of posting daily? Yes, you can use any post. Second query is that please tell me if we get hoodies or not. So currently, as per the update, there is mention of only GFG t-shirt. So you'll be getting t-shirt only and the money. So what I was saying, that the doubt he was asking regarding streaks. So here you can see multiple reward sections are there: daily winners, posting winners, mega winners and editors winner. So as per his category, he is asking that if I follow continuously till 15 day or 13 day, will I be getting the t-shirt or not, or do I have to do any something else? Means another thing we have to do, like our posts need to have some likes or comments or not for being eligible for the swags. I hope you understood. So here the answer is that you need to stay consistent. Even if you are having, it's obvious most of the people in the community will also give like to your post. So in even my case, some of the people already gave likes, so chances are there you'll be getting the like. But even if you're not getting, in extreme case, then also you'll be getting the t-shirt and prize money if you are consistent from 15 to 30 days. Okay, there is no issue. Now coming over here, another that if I am watching now, means I am watching this video now, your introductory video regarding the technical scripter, will I be getting the swags or not? Because it's showing that 27th of January the event started, and I'm watching this in 10th of February or even in 28th of January. Okay, so the answer is that yes, they have not mentioned any deadline that you have to start from 27th only, then only you'll be able to get the swags. They have mentioned the post published between 27th of January to 27th of February will be counted. So even if you start late, you can participate and you can come under this criteria. Okay, you can come under the second criteria, that is the first criteria, that is the 15 days. So even if you start today, you can watch it. How to register, all things are covered in this video. I'll share both Hindi and English. You don't need to worry about it if you're not understanding. Also there is the option, I think, in audio, if you just go to the gear icon, means settings icon over here while playing the video, you will see multiple audios are there. You can watch in your favorite language, whichever you loves and wherever you reside. So depending on it, if you are watching this video for the first time, you can still participate and win the swags. There is no deadline for it except the final deadline, means you can start in 1st of February also, even in 29th of January also, and 31st of January. So make sure to take the benefit of this opportunity. Apart from this, there are multiple opportunities live on the channel, whether it's related to the internship, whether it's related to Google Cloud Arcade, all the events are there. Make sure to check it out. And if you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, and have a great day ahead. Thank you. Goodbye.